Oh guys, we've got a very first British Airways Boeing 777-200 coming here from London Gatwick. Realised I've took this one down here yesterday, positioned this one yesterday from Heathrow, but she's going to be at Gatwick until the next return of London Heathrow. So she's in from London Gatwick. Could we do the return flight? No, unfortunately, that will be here tomorrow as well. Where's my hotel? My hotel is right there, I believe. So we're going to be plane spotting from there. There's that big dome as well. Yeah, St Maarten's lovely, guys. It's really lovely. Love the weather as well. Wish we could get down there.
400.
One day we'll go down. Don't want to go down there. Well, no, I don't know. You have to go. You have to go on a different airliner for that. Oh, there's a 777. Yeah, BA. Here we go, guys. BA 777 British Airways in from London Gatwick.
100.
Wow! Look at that. That's the BA colour. Wow. Jesus Christ, that 777 is very hard at landing. Welcome to St Maarten, very first arrival of BA British Airways into St Maarten.